Banta. Papi Asta. Yeah. Dosilo na Papi Asta. Okay. 1K to, 100 console.
Oy, uno siya. Plus ako.
Who's first? Okay, okay.
Plus ako, Shouta. You first.
Okay.
Can I talk, guys? Am I clear right now?
Yes, you are.
Okay.
Okay. Wait. Ninang Casey, you are the one who's judging here, okay? And Ninang Bri and Ninang Chi. Thank you for sponsoring Ninang Shane. Ninang Shane, she give how much, Ninang? 300 for the consultation. Ay, Ninang Casey also. Okay, if you're ready, Asta, you can shout out
Yes, I'm
first.
ready.
You can shout out first.
Shout out Love Chi and sponsor. By the way, shout out you, Manta, and good luck.
Okay. Oh, okay. His English is okay, I guess. Okay. After to coming, okay. Okay, are you fucking ready, Asta?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay,
For,
let's fight.
okay. For his first strike of Asta between his opponent Banta, trash talk him, real talk him in 3, 2, 1. My English is Diop. Let's go.
Yeah, Banta, you're such a fucking loser here. So you need to quit right now here in Nimi. Okay, you're such a fucking rude. You get it? You don't understand the English, so you don't have a fight on me, okay? So you need to quit right now. Delete your Nimi. You're such a fucking loser. You're such a fucking trigger on me right now. You're not a fluent in English. You don't understand that? Yeah, you're such a fucking bitches, okay? I don't give a chance to you to win. I give you lose, okay? Let's make some fucking nice, but you don't have a mindset to lose me, okay? Let's... I'm so very happy. Okay, I'm so very tired, but I'm gonna give you a lose. So I don't give a chance to you. I don't understand your mindset right now. So you have a mental block right now. So Banta, you need to quit. I give you death threat right now. So I need police. You don't understand, Banta! I have happiness, I have triggered lines, I have hotlines. You know what I'm saying, Banta? So, you're such a fucking loser here. I don't give a chance to you to win because you are a loser. Okay? You have a written format, but it's not applicable to me. So, what do you prepare right now? Why? You look like an electric fan. Why? You're such a fucking amihan. Tangina mo.
Time! Oh my God, fucking hamihan. So you are the one who's a bagat? You and me is unique, different, difficult. You're poor. Okay, are you fucking clear? Am I clear? Am I clear? Am I clear?
Am I clear? Hello?
Okay, you are clear. Okay.
Hello?
Shout
First of
out.
all,
Yes. Wait.
I'm shout out myself. Shout out to my opponent and shout out all of the above game.
Okay, Ninang Casey. After my intro, I will send you my GCash. Ninang Shane, thank you for give sponsor to them. Di baling ako na yung mawalan, wag lang sila. Di na ako magmumura, pero putang ina. Okay, are you fucking ready, Papi Banda?
Game.
Okay. For his first answer of Banta between his opponent Asta, trash talk him, real talk him, saying whatever you want. Let's make some fucking noise. Share this link in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
They say I need to quit. You should quit because you are spreading the word. You say let make some fucking noise. Are you a MC? You are not a MC. Fuck you. Your ex you say I have a happiness. No. Your ex treated you for a fat guy like tatakalan. No, fuck you. You don't do have that. Huh? You're ready? Good, because I don't want an easy challenge. I want someone who actually thinks they can't beat me. That way, it feel even better than I prove. You're wrong. Every move you make, I've already predicted. Every strategy you bring, I've already countered. While you wait, you don't fucking do that. Putak ina ka. Fuck you. Every move you make already predicted. While you were hoping I was working, and today all the hard work is going to show. You might think you can match me, but let me tell you something. I don't just show up, I'll take over. I don't wait, I dominate. You're not facing just another opponent. You're facing someone who refuses to lose. So go ahead, give everything you have. I want you at your best, because when this is over, I want there to be no excuses. No doubts, no what ifs, just the truth that today I stood stronger, moved faster, and performed better than you. I respect your effort, but I'm here to win, and I'll make sure by the time this is done, you'll remember exactly who stood in the front of you and showed you what real competition looks like. Before we start, I want you to understand something. I didn't come here to blend in. I came here to stand out. And when this battle is over, the only thing any will remember, fuck you.
Time! In the name of the
Okay.
Father, and the Son, and the Holy...
Am I
Okay.
clear, guys? Am I clear,
Okay, you can...
guys? Let's make
You
it
can
fucking
shout out
nice
second.
right now.
You can shout out second if you want.
Shout out, Stitch. Shout out to all people out there right now. So let's go.
Okay, let's G. Okay. For his second strike, o pasta, between his opponent, Banta, trash talk him, real talk him, beat him, do whatever fucking you want. Let's make some fucking noise. Can you please share link in 3, 2, 1, noisy, I will leash you, let's go.
You need to chat GPT between me, but you have a mindset. You're such a fucking loser here. Your brain cells is not working right now, but me, I'm a working. So advance to semis and finals. You're such a fucking rude here, but you're not rude. To me, you're not applicable to me. It's not a multi right now. You don't understand that thing? What are you saying again? Potang inamo? I don't understand that thing. What's that dialect? Okay, let's fight you, Banta. Your name is Tagalog, okay, not English. So you're such a fucking loser here. You're such a fucking mixer here. You're such a fucking rude is here. I give you hell is here because I'm a fire. Okay, I got an eye of the tiger right now. You're such a fucking food, so I need to food trip right now. You don't understand that thing? You're not a win here. He's in a battle. You're such a fucking loser. You don't understand that thing? You have a English, but you don't have a punchline right now. You're not applicable to me, to your saying. You don't understand that? I have a punchline like Ivo Makunochi. I have reverse psychology like Itachi. You don't understand? I have a Fibonacci. I have a multis. I have a metaphor. So you need to quit right now. You're such a fucking cheer to me. It's not a buzzing on the spot. You don't understand that thing? You're not fluent in English. Please fix your pronunciation in English right now. You need to quit right now. You're not a king. I have a mindset of king like a crown. I have a punchline. I have a princess like Chi. You're not have a supporter here. You don't understand. Fuck you.
Time! You're too much saying. I will leash you on noisy. Okay? Okay. Okay, Banta, you can shout out first. Shout out to my Ate Koy, Ate Koy
Hello,
MJ.
shout out to all people nandito. Oo. Yun lang, game.
Okay, shout out Bunso. Ate Koy MJ. Ate Koy MJ. Ate Koy MJ, para sa kahihiyan nila, baka gusto mong dagdagan ng 500. Okay, 100 yung konso nito, 1,000 sa mananalo. For his second round, for his second strike of Banta between his opponent Asta. Trash talk him, real talk him, beat him, do whatever fucking you want to say. And 3, 2, 1, my English is not good, I'm sorry. Let's go.
They say I use ChatGPT. No, I didn't need AI. Is it my fault? It's not my fault that I'm smarter than you. He said, what was the putang ina mo? He said he didn't know it. Then, we mentioned the Filipino language. You're a contradict. You're a contradict, man. You might have a practice. You might have prepared. But preparation is enough where you are standing with someone who refused to be a second place. See, the difference between you and me is simple. You're hoping to things you go your way. I'm making things go my way. You're waiting for your opportunities. I'm creating mine. That's why today you're going to feel the pressure. The pressure. Not because you're weak, but because I'm strong. Not because you're slow, but because I'm fast. Not because you're unprepared, but because I'm unstoppable. Look at me, Asta! This is not confidence. It's certainly, I know what I can do. I know what I built. And I know exactly how this ends. You're going to give your best, but I'm going to give better. You'll push hard, but push harder. You'll try to keep up, but I'll pull ahead. And the moment you realize that you can outrun me. Oh, you don't do that. Damn, fucking you, Asta. You don't say that. So go ahead and step up. Show me everything you have got. Empty your tank. Use every trick, every move, every idea. Because when this is over, I don't want excuses. I don't want I could have or should I have. I want to know fully and completely that today you face someone who came here to dominate. And when the results are finally in, I want you to remember this moment. Remember the energy. Remember the intensity. Remember the person standing in front of you. Fuck you!
Time! Oh my God, oh my God.
Tangina sa finals, ano to? Tagalog to Let's go!
Okay, enough. This is just English conference. Oh my God.
Ayoko na. Tatalo na ako. Hindi, let's go.
Great. Okay.
I'm a
For
loser
his,
right now.
okay,
Joke na. I
okay.
give up.
For his third strike, o pasta, between his opponent, Banta, trash talk him, real talk him, do whatever fucking you want to say, and 3, 2, 1, my English is day off tomorrow. Let's go.
You need to day up here in playoffs. You're such a fucking rude here, but you don't have a punchline here. You're such a fucking mocking lines. You don't have a mindset to lose me. You give me a lines, but not applicable to me. I have unstoppable like Lancelot in ML. So you need to go to the bush. You don't have a mindset. You need to weeds. You're such a fucking high. You're not triggered on me, cause I have a gun. I have bullets on you, like a full clip in GTA, so I have a cheat on you. And I count on you. Your lines, you're such a fucking loser, so you don't have a mindset to lose me. And I don't give this shit on battle, so you win right now in this battle, so you give me consolation prize right now. But I'm just psychology right now, so I analyze on you, bro. Block, give you a lines, but you need to mindset not alive. You need to doctor. Like a maid on you. I have a maid all right now in this battle, cause you look like a maid, bro. Oh, Lee, wordplay, multis. I have on that thing. You are such a fucking liar here. I'm a lawyer in this battle, so I defend myself to you, bro. You're not a pro, okay? I have a killing spree on emblem like ML, so I have a speed, rap, and you're such a fucking corruption. Here in the Philippines, you're not a fluent in English. Huh, Taglish, you're such a fucking rude, bro. Tangina mo natin,
Sam! 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 Oh my God, Asta. You're so fucking good, man. Okay, sana bukas okay ka lang. Ipopost ko yan. Naka-record naman. Ipopost ko sa birthday mo when you speak English. You're strong. Okay, wait lang, magsi-shoutout lang ako. Parang Boss G, shoutout pare. Ate Koy Ems, shoutout. Baka gusto nyo dagdagan yung papremyo para sa kahihiyan. Hindi, joke lang. I'm just kidding. Aside, okay? Are you fucking ready, Banta? For your third?
I'm ready.
Okay?
Hello?
Okay? For the last battle, later, Rashid, you will ready. You wear your shoes first, okay? For his third strike of Banta between his opponent Asta. Give him fucking real talk, trash talk him, beat 3, 2, 1. My English is suko na. Let's go.
They say I only use mocking lines. That's what they called it, rebata. You are so fucking bobo, Asta. You're fucking idiot. You say I'm a maid, bro? No, you're made from China. You're made from China. Put. There are many distractions around the two of us. I don't need to support just to execute you because I already knew you're weak. The claps and the excitement of the crowd are my fuel. That alone is enough as a bride for your elimination. How can you even score if the moment I step up, you fall out of all? You can even speak your all bluff, no punch. You have been in this freaking game for so long. I'm asking for your improvement versus it. You didn't elevate at all. Automatic. Like getting effective, this ugly act that though it as great drop. Self-promotion, that's nothing new to me. Your calm face said, you didn't stop fucking it. And now, you want to act proud with me? Go ahead, make stories. After all, it's your tale. You're the main character. I will be a tailor. I won't waste a single line. Every word will be seamless. I'll even stitch your mouth. Shut up. So you won't be able to speak. You're a waste of time. Our time is good. And because you're weak, you're wasting our time just to listen you're fucking weak. Stop acting like you're built. You're breaking. You're not in our league. Stop acting crazy. You're not funny. Breaking it yourself. Whispering because you're scared your damn family might wake up. First round and I already felt your pulse shaking. Don't be nervous. Your guardice is pounding in your cheese. You can't stay still. You entered the wrong game. This game is where alive. You all devoid and even the one be enough.
Time. Okay, next time, Banta, you will be the one. You will be the one who's become president in America, in Asia, in North Africa, in the all five of the Earth, Mercury, Venus, Pluto, Neptune, Uranus, the 9 planets and the 7 continents. And shout out to all people out there who still listening here right now. Sa mga gustong magdagdag para sa kahihiyan, para sa dignidad, putang ina, sana all may 100 na konso to dahil sa ginawa nyong kahihiyan. Ipopost ko yan pag birthday nyo, okay? Ninang Bri. Tolmal dito mamaya. Ay, shoutout idol. Shoutout. Ninang Casey ko. Ninang Casey, are you there? Who's your birth, Ninang? And who's your birth, Ninang Bri and Chi? Bunso, you can unmute yourself first, okay? Ninang Bri, you can if you want to say something or what? Okay? Talo na mi, please.
Tala na may please. Ano ko kay Asta.
Lo,
Kasi,
1-0. Okay?
kasi kahit ganun yung English yun, naiintindihan ko naman. Kay kasi banta, naiintindihan naman kaso, yung vowels niya kasi. Sorry. Yan lang.
Yes, I hate that. He said bitter. I think much the correct words is better that he want to say. Okay, 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 okay. Ninang Casey, enough. They are talented. I will minus them. Okay, Madam Ani, you may shout out to all of you guys. Okay, okay. The second judges is Bunsoy Chi, who's your vote for this candidate? Bunsoy? Yes, reality really. Okay, yeah, I guess. Asta po, okay. Ninang Casey, who's your vote? The vote of the judges, the vote of the judge, the I cool, the B fresh is Asta.